क्या फिर से बोलना?
क्या
बोलो ना, बोलो।
क्या सड़ा सवाल था ये फ्रेंडशिप वाला। मेरे बचपन में ले चलो भाई।
मूड
वो
खराब।
बेटर है, वो बेटर है।
Hello, cuties. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much. I'm Jennifer. A very happy new year to you all. 2022 में मैंने अपनी इनिशियल इंस्टाग्राम मेकअप अकाउंट दैट गॉट हैक्ड में एक छोटी सी सीरीज स्टार्ट करी थी नेम्ड जेनिफर टॉकीज, जहाँ मैं कुछ लोगों को इनवाइट करती थी और उनका मेकअप करती थी। उसके मैंने आई थिंक 4 से 5 वीडियोस बनाए होंगे. But it's 2025 now and we are finally leveling up. So, welcome to the first episode of Jennifer Talkies, in which I will be calling an artist every month and talk about anything and everything. So, इस series की पहली guest for the January edition is like a sugar coated pastry. You know it's too sweet for you, but you can't have enough. She is an established belly dancer, a former lawyer, mother to 3 cute, adorable babies, and in my opinion, has the most supportive and sweetest husband in the entire planet. Now let's dive into their home and give you a glimpse of Mohana Srivastava's life. Hello!
I think it was very recently.
Uh-huh.
It was my birthday in September, and my students had hidden here in the house, and along with everybody else from my team. And Abhigyan was also in the loop. And they sat me down and they made me watch like a 21-minute long video of everybody else who couldn't be here. And for me, it can be very overwhelming. Like too much of a good thing. I mean, my
Yes.
therapist says that too much of a good thing can also sometimes be
Overwhelming.
Just randomly be saying this to Abhigyan that मेरी तो शादी हो गई ना, तो I will not get my favorite poha na because my mom only cooks it. So he learned it from my mom, and then he's like, "Is this close enough?"
Talk about having the sweetest husband. मैंने literally intro में बोला है.
भगवान
And
is
see-
God. एक ये वीडियो लेना, ऐसे तेरी बिन सुनी सुनी है रातें, तेरी बिन प्यासी प्यासी निगाहें डालना।
हम आपके घर में बैठे हैं तो मुझे ऑब्वियसली ये जानना है कि ये पारिवारिक घरेलू मामला कैसे आया, ये जो भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के
स्पीसियां।
यस तो ये तो मुझे पता चल गया कि आपने बताया सिम्बा को आपने शादी से पहले रेज किया और सीजर को अभिज्ञान में। फिर उसके बाद आप दोनों की शादी हो गई,
तो फिर 1 dog plus 1 dog 2 dogs.
यस और फिर लड्डू
तो was an accidental pregnancy. रातों रात माँ बन गया। ये कैसा हो गया है?
कैसे हो गया?
We went to the park.
अच्छा ये वाला, हाँ.
This cat finds us. He comes back with us.
Comes back as in?
Comes
Walks
back home with us. हाँ, ting, 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 ting,
अच्छा.
yeah. So we fed him. We went and dropped him back. He came back.
Okay.
Then we went and dropped him back again. He came back.
Oh my god.
And he didn't.
Is this happening like on the same day?
Yeah, in the same night. 1 बजे ये हो रहा है. 3:30-4 बजे डिस्कशन हो रहा है, बट कैसे रखेंगे यार? अंदर वो है यार, नहीं यार, उसको खतरा हो सकता है, सिम्बा कूद पड़ा तो, सीजर कुछ कर दिया तो. But that's the day we got to know Abhigyan is a cat person.
मैं एक दासी.
I think next blackout I should perform अंगारों सा
अंबर सा लगता है मेरा समय.
शादी 2019 में हुई थी, so 6th year, we'll have a 6th anniversary coming up. But we've been together since 2012. So
12 years. Do you like believe in opposites do attract?
I did to a certain extent. I did believe that, but over the years, I've understood that how I am externally, he's internally, and how I am internally, he's externally. So internally, I'm very shant. There's no sound. Externally is like all कि क्या है, ये क्यों है, ऐसा है, करते ना, चल ना. He is internally chaotic, and externally he's very calm.
पूछना चाहती हूँ कि how did this happen then? Like अभिज्ञान भैया.
So yeah, we were in law school.
So you guys met in London?
We met in Delhi.
अच्छा.
In our undergrad.
अच्छा. Okay.
5-year law course.
Okay.
So it's law is also लंबी चौड़ी पढ़ाई है.
हाँ.
तभी तो ऐसे थोड़ी बाल मेरे पके हैं. First year, I did not know he existed in the class. जो कहते हैं ना खराब हो गया ये बच्चा.
Oh.
Okay, मतलब he was drinking outside.
Oh.
बल्ली पे.
And you have no idea.
I have no idea. he
Obviously,
exists.
हाँ.
And sometimes I would, in my mentally, like I would put him in the unhygienic group. And then one day we sat together.
Okay.
अटेंडेंस का मामला रहा होगा, मुझे आगे बैठा, मैं आगे बैठ गई और ये अपनी सुधारने के
शक्ल
लिए
दिखा.
आगे आ गया होगा. तो उस बेंच पे ट्री ऑफ मूवीज जो बना हुआ था, एक फ्लो चार्ट सा बना हुआ था. गॉडफादर 1, गॉडफादर 2 एंड गॉडफादर ट्रिलॉजी इज लाइक माय फेवरेट स्टोरी एवर. आई सॉ गॉडफादर, आई वाज लाइक you made this. He was like, yeah, which godfather is your favorite? मैंने तो सीधा अटैक किया कि ये जो भी आंसर करेगा इससे
उस
मैं
पे मैं
decide
होल्ड
करूंगी
करूंगी कि
कि ये है क्या चीज. नाउ ये सब खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद आई एम थिंकिंग he was not bad. That's what I am thinking.
bad.
ये कौन था? ये तो काफी अच्छे से बात करता है. You know, ये तो बहुत अच्छे से बात करता है. इसका मुंह खुलता हुआ क्यों नहीं देखा मैंने कभी?
How did like the marriage in 25 happen?
Because see, now when we are 19 and we are dating,
Hmm.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now both of your families know.
कि हाँ.
मतलब सबको obvious लग रहा है.
Hmm.
So they're like, कब बोलेंगे?
अच्छा.
अभिज्ञान तो वहां पे भी झूठ नहीं बोल सकता. अभिज्ञान के घर में सबको पता था क्योंकि उन्हें दिख रहा है मेरे लड़की को क्या हो गया है. We got married in such a beautiful place. We were blessed to like there's this beautiful property in Jaipur called Samod Bagh. There are these 10 rooms and it's like garden. And I was just running in the garden, मेहंदी लगा के, हल्दी लगा करके. Everybody who was invited to their wedding, they were just glowing to see me happy, running. एंड मैंने सोचा था कि मैं तो क्योंकि डांस वांस करती हूँ तो पता नहीं क्या ही म्यूजिकल हो जाएगा मेरे डांस में. व्हेन द शादी का टाइम केम, आई डिड नॉट केयर व्हाट आई वाज वेयरिंग बिकॉज़ आई वाज सो हैप्पी टू गेट मैरिड टू दिस पर्सन. बैड कमेंट्स दो कैटेगरी है. एक कैटेगरी वो है, आई वांट टू लिक योर नेवल.
Oh my
एंड
god.
आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से नेवल, आई विल से नेवल बिकॉज़ दैट्स व्हाट इट साउंड्स लाइक.
ये कौन सी कैटेगरी पहले ये जान लेते. बैड कमेंट्स वाली है या हेट?
बैड कमेंट्स वाली.
ये बैड.
दिस इज जनरल बैड कमेंट्स.
ठीक है.
बट दिस इज नॉट हेट.
या ट्रू. हाँ.
ये हेट नहीं है. दिस इज
इट्स जस्ट डिस्गस्टिंग.
यू आर्गुमेंट सेक के लिए.
हाँ.
अगर मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मैं जेनिफर की नेवल को किस करूं, आर्गुमेंट सेक, गाइस,
नहीं सही
लाइक अ लॉयर,
आई
ऑब्जेक्टिव.
एम लिसनिंग.
अगर मेरा मन कर रहा है, मन हो रहा है अंदर.
हाँ.
कितने लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनका अंदर से मन कर रहा है और वो लिखेंगे भी?
बहुत कम.
बहुत कम. That is a type of people. Number one, people who will choose to write things to get attention or to just feel powerful in their space because maybe they are not powerful people. They are all maybe they are people जो कि दिन भर किसी की गाली सुनते हैं और वो वापस घर आता है और वो 10 इन्फ्लुएंसर्स और 10 लड़कियों के कमेंट्स में ऐसे लिखता है और उसको लगता है कुछ किया मैंने. Nowhere in the Constitution of India say that you cannot say what you want. It's not a crime to write a comment.
Got it.
And it is not a crime to delete one either. So मैं सजा के क्यों रखूं उसको?
सजाने वाली बात पे हाथ मिलाना चाहिए.
अरे देखा, अब तुम्हें भी वो मेरा टच ही पसंद आ रहा है. लोगों की दुनिया में ऐसे ट्रॉमास होते हैं जो जस्टिफाई ही नहीं होंगे उनको. Because sometimes in anything traumatic there is nothing that is right and wrong. It's just what it is. कि अब आप इतने होश में थे कि आप उन बातों को याद रख सकते हो, याद है आपको, और आप उनको सही और गलत बॉक्स में डाल सकते हो. It's a privilege. Not everyone who's gone through trauma has that privilege. So because I went through my trauma very early on in life, I was 1.5 years old when I was raped. So I mean, for a kid like that to make sense of that trauma, tell me where should the blame be? They cannot do a blame game now. ठीक है, what the perpetrator did was wrong. मेरी कहाँ गलती थी? ये तो क्वेश्चन पूछेगा ना, क्योंकि trauma has that effect.
Yes.
You always do ask yourself what you could have done better. So maybe not everything that you learn from trauma has to teach you something. So let's say there's this community of artists who are talking about something very deep, they're wiping their tears. For me, it's very difficult to cry, number one. Number two, I don't relate with this side of celebrating a lot of your trauma too, while discarding.
Gosh.
I'm sorry. So certain traumas can be just traumas, but we just want to jump onto a wound that we've gone through and we just want to see se maine kya sikha and what is it that now I can take from it. It took so much from me, and this is it's a very toxic space, I think. With yourself, not with anybody else. So when it comes to now friendship breakups, I've had, I would say, 1, 2, 3, and they have always taught me something. And there is a commonality between these friendship breakups, that all these friendships were the kind of friendships that made me feel small. They were all people who constantly body shamed me out of concern, not out of concern, randomly every day I meet you and I would say something about your body, or I'm a party joker because I am this energy, but I'm the party joker to that person. That's how they're treating me.
Oh,
You get what I'm saying? Yeah. I am being myself. I'm without a thought making those jokes, without a thought doing a Sunil Shetty, doing all of this. And the other persons are always like, इस पे यही suit करता है, यही है. Nothing.
That's a very demeaning way to
Sort
put
of.
it.
Yes, yes. All these friendships, whenever I have once communicated that this is something that I didn't appreciate after a long time of this kind of treatment, then the friendship has broken. It was beautiful for me to talk to you.
Oh, lovely. How like we've known each other for like 4 years, but I
Distance.
don't know you. Don't know you. So like this is like opened the floodgates like anything कि मतलब oversharing की हद बचा दी है यहाँ पर. But आते हुए मैंने एक चीज सेव करी. I am shy, but when I open up, I'm a podcast.